It is December. It is time for the Christmas season, and what better way to celebrate the Christmas season than to decorate your iPad. Hello internet, how are you doing today? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and yes, as you can see by the title of this video, we are going to be Christmasifying my iPad today. I feel like this is the perfect video to do because we've been talking non-stop about the iPhone 16 for a long time now. So it's time to give the iPad some love. It's time to give her some time to shine because, girl, we haven't talked about her in a while, so we're going to do that today. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks of how to customize your iPad for Christmas or for the winter season. I'm going to be using a bunch of different applications such as Widgetsmith, other widgets too, like iScreen and whatever, and we're going to be taking this iPad from not glam to glam. She is going to be dressing to impress today. And yeah, that's what this video is going to be all about. Let's get into it and let's Christmasify this iPad. First off, I want y'all just to admire my Christmas tree right here. It is set up for the Christmas season right over here. And also there's some pretty lights in the background. It is time to actually get into the nitty gritty and actually customize this iPad for Christmas. So as you can see, this is how my iPad looks right now, but it's time to get into the Christmas spirit. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go right into Pinterest, which is our design savior. We always go into Pinterest to find cool ideas and everything. So we're going to find some cute little backgrounds first. We're going to download them and then we're going to get into the customization. So I'm going to do that off camera so I don't waste time. So I just spent the past few minutes looking for some really cute Christmas wallpapers on Pinterest, and I have them all linked down in the description down below under my iPad Xmas Pinterest board. Here's a few of them. I may not use all of them in today's video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I did have linked. So if you do want to copy some of my themes, you can copy them using the link down below. So now that we have everything that is needed, we have all the apps downloaded, we can actually start getting into the customization. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go right into the lock screen customization. We're going to hit the plus icon and we're going to add our brand new Christmas lock screen wallpaper. Let's figure out which one we're going to do. We're going to go right into my photos and we're going to see which one I want to choose. I think maybe this one. This is kind of cute. This is really cute. This is very classic Christmas here. So we're going to do that and then we're going to go into here, and I absolutely love this font. This is one of my favorite fonts. I don't know why, it just is. And then we're going to pick a color. So I think we're going to just do like a nice red. There we go, nice red, that looks good. Okay, so we have that. This is kind of our base lock screen, as you can see, and I'm not gonna add too much to it because we're gonna add apps to it later. Then we're going to add, of course, our home screen. So then we are going to choose one. Ooh, wait, I love that. That's beautiful. That is really cute. But now we're going to get into one of the first things you can do with iPadOS 18, and that is custom app tinting. I've shown you guys how to do this before, but if you want another tutorial, all you got to do is you got to press and hold. Oh no. Anyways, you press and hold right here. And then we get into wiggle mode, you hit the edit icon right here, and then you go to customize, and then you go to tinted. And then this is where we can do our tint. I think red is just gonna have to be it. So we're gonna stick to red and we're gonna make sure it looks decent. Here is our base. So now we're gonna get right into widgets and what widgets we wanna add to our home screen. I went back and I found a different wallpaper because that wallpaper just wasn't going with my vision or anything. So I got this wallpaper, which is really cute. It's pine cones and snow. I'm probably going to change out the color because the color is just driving me nuts for some reason. Maybe we should do white icons. Actually, this may be controversial, but the white icons look good. They look like Christmas lights. So actually, I think we're gonna stick with white icons. We're going to go into Widgetsmith. We're gonna add a bunch of Widgetsmith widgets to my home screen right now. Here is just a really quick tutorial of how to use Widgetsmith. Obviously, you can slow it down a little bit, but pretty much you just take a photo, add it to a widget, and just do that a bunch of times. So it's pretty quick. So here is my finalized Christmas home screen. As you can see here, I went a little bit crazy, a little bit stupid with all of the widgets here, but it looks pretty cute. We got some cute little Christmas themes going on with Nightmare Before Christmas, classic Santa up there, Merry, Merry, Merry. It looks really cute. And then we swipe over here and we have even other cute stuff here. Like we have the Grinch right there. We have Snoopy up there, along with, of course, our Christmas countdown right there, which is saying it is 16 days to Christmas. Here's a tutorial how to use the iScreen countdown. It's called Countdown Number 1. It is a medium widget. You basically have the ability to adjust the font, edit text, and add, of course, a countdown to a specific date. It's pretty customizable, as you can see there. You can add emojis and everything like that. But what's also pretty cool about this this is the fact that you can actually use your own images as the background of the countdown, which I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Basically just allows you just to do that, and it's pretty customizable, and I think this is a pretty cool and fun little widget you can do. So yeah, and then you just allow your photos, and you can pick any photo you want and have that as your background. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use this widget. So now that we have our Christmas home screen settled, let's get into our Christmas lock screen and finish it up that way. Okay, so we're going to go back into the customize setting right here, and now we can add a bunch of customizations, but we want to add some customizations. So I'm going to go right into the iScreen, and we are going to be adding some cute widgets. So we're going to add that one right there. That is what we add right there. And then we also add an inline to it too. So we go right up here, and then we add one right here. And now we're actually going to the iScreen app, and we're actually going to add all of these widgets to it. There's a Merry Christmas section on here, which is really cute. Let's see, I think we want to do this one as one of our stickers. So we're going to add that. Once you have all your widgets saved, it's pretty simple. You just go right back to your lock screen, hit the edit button, and then you're going to tap on the widget, and it's going to basically allow you to choose which one you want. Super quick, super easy, and yeah, and then you have those widgets on your lock screen. There we go. Oh my god, that looks really, really cute. I do like that a lot. Okay, we have that added. And then we're gonna do our Merry Christmas letters up here. This is super cute. I want to add this right here. That is beautiful. I love that. We're gonna save to my widgets. And now that is saved, so now all we gotta do, there we go. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. So there we go. That is kind of our Christmas lock screen, which is really, really cute. So I also added some actually from Lock Launcher. So Lock Launcher does have a bunch of cute ones. I have this little believe sign, and I also have a reindeer countdown for the battery, which is just super cute. I love that so much. And here is the final reveal of my iPad setup for Christmas, for the holidays. Here is the first home screen. As you can see, it's very, very festive. It's very cute. And here is the second home page, which again is really festive and cute. I want to show you guys that on iScreen, there's actually this really, really cute rotating widget that has Santa in a sleigh with a bunch of reindeer. This is how it looks. Obviously, I'm not a big fan of how the widgets are laid out here because the apps look a little bit kind of funky. Here is the revised setup for the other screen. I think this just looks a little bit better. It's a little bit cuter. I think this pretty much is it. I just noticed something else. This is the final setup. This is the final setup, guys. Oh my god. And again, here's how the lock screen looks. We have it like this way. And then if you change the iPad over here, you have it like this. You have all those really cute widgets right there. Okay, this is how this looks. Cute. Very cute, very festive. I love this. So this is very awesome. This is super cool. Makes you really want to use your iPad for the holidays. So I definitely recommend anyone who has an iPad to do this, do a Christmas layout for your iPad because you'll definitely have fun. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and also for supporting the channel throughout this year. I am very, very blessed, very grateful to have over 460 subscribers. It really just means the world to me. Thank you guys so much just for believing in me. Thank you guys for believing in this channel. I had such a fun time making videos this year on this channel, and believe me, next year is going to be just as great and just as iconic. So if this is the last video that you see from me this year, hope everyone has a very, very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and has a fantastic new year. If you did like this video, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description down below and also right here. I shall see you guys in the next one. Goodbye and Merry, Merry Christmas.